Once the team reaches there, they'll cause arrest and take transit remand.
Sir, among these the four arrested, is there any boyfriend of the Sonam has also been with?
It appears like yes.
So when are you going to bring them to Shillong?
As and when we get the transit remand.
What can we expect, like a possible time for the formalities to be done to bring them?
I can't say. It all depends on the court out there. Once the transit remand is given, I think today you should get transit remand and should be moving from there.
They should be moving from there by tomorrow.
So 3 teams of Meghalaya police are now in UP.
No. In MP, 2 teams are there, and one team is going to UP right now to pick up Sonam.
So all the arrests has been made during this the joint operation of the Meghalaya police, UP police, and the
Yes.
police.
The SIT, which is composed of the SOT and special cell and all that, had gone there. A very robust team under 2 DSPs, DSP operations and DSP crime. And with the support and help from MP and UP police, we got these people.
So is it true that Sonam has called herself and she turned out to the police?
See, it is a fact that she called her relatives, but this has happened after all the raids were conducted.
Basically she has surrendered.
She was because of the investigation, she had to come and surrender like that.
Can you say that she has surrendered because of the pressure?
I think if you look at it, look at the logical sequence of things, all these days she hadn't come out. But last night, when Raj Kushwaha and the rest of the people were caught, suddenly she surfaces. I think that speaks for itself.
Okay.